Yo, actually huwa tunatumia the large yarn, but today we are using this medium size yarn. The company is Winter King. I'm using a normal crochet number 3. So just a few minutes, let me show you how I'm making my living room rug or carpet, or the way you will call it, the shaggy mat, whatever. So just a few minutes, just watch carefully venye natengeneza hii mat yangu. And remember, with a normal crochet number 3, it is the fastest way. Of course, remember, ukianza the first line, you must use the boxes or the lines to measure the size of the yarns you are making. And according to the look of the things here, naona yes, it is light, but naipenda ikiwa hivyo light. Si kutaka kutumia uzi nono because I didn't want it to be more heavy for me. Nilitaka ikue kitu light sana. So remember, ukitengeneza lazima utoanishe uzi yako. Free your yarn, give it an allowance so that when you are making, it will move freely. Remember, just simple like this as you go, like this as you go. If you decide to cut, you can cut before removing the needle, or if you decide to leave it without cutting, no wahala, just leave it. But I do prefer cutting because I love it in a fluffy way. Okay, so, and if you can see this one is not okay with you, I have another option for you, but just see, angalia venye kitu ni tamu jamani, very very mwa. I really love it. Yeah, so remember, kama kuna mahali hujanielewa unaweza niuliza. So check this out. Hii nayo ni kama ile ya kukatakata ukishona, lakini tunatumia normal crochet number 3. Very simple, bora umake sure uzi yako wakati unaivuta inatoshana vizuri. So this ni kama kushona vitambaa au vibeti, just a normal crochet. Bora uadjust the longer hiyo ya juu, uivute vizuri ndio itoe size yenye unataka, like that. And the material is 5 by 8 feet or 2.5 by 1.8 meters. As for delivery, nafanya kila mahali. And remember, mat yetu tunashona on this smooth side. Usishone kwenye kuna roughness or balls, hizo ndo zina support chini wakati umeshona mat yako. So just take a look at this, a normal crochet number 3. So hii needle inafanya wonders, like the needle can do more than 3 or 4. So angalia hii stitch. So unaweza zikata, ukitaka unaweza ziacha. So as for materials, nafanya delivery kila mahali, nafanya shipping outside of the country. Size vile unataka, from 450 bob mpaka the full roll, which is 40,000. Hiyo ni 30 meters. So hii ni mita 2.5. Just take a look. Wow, yani inakaa kabisa kama ya hii crochet, the large hook. Yeah, this is the large hook. Hakuna tofauti. So far nimetumia around 5 yarns. The dark orange one iko karibu kuisha. As navy blue nilifanya binding na kufill hiyo pattern moja.